Hello everyone, welcome back. In my previous video, I talked about incredible text to video AI tool PIKA Labs. If you haven't checked it out yet, be sure to do after this video. Over the past few days, I have been experimenting with PIKA Labs and trust me, when combined with ChatGPT 4, it can produce absolutely amazing clips. Today, I will discuss my ChatGPT prompt that I created for PIKA Labs. All you have to do is provide few keywords and it will generate series of prompts to help you create stunning movies. Let's have a look at the movie which I created using ChatGPT and Pika Labs.
From dawn to dusk, the beach is a vibrant symphony of life and color. As the sun ascends, bathing the world in radiant light, we admire the coastline's divine beauty from a bird's eye view, a serene blend of golden sands and cerulean waves. The morning sun adorns the unspoiled beach, painting a picture of peace as it gently caresses the intricate seashells, each an artistic testament of the ocean's wonders. As the day unfolds, spirited surfers ride the waves in a harmonious ballet of thrill and nature, while a tranquil beach deck scene offers a peaceful reprieve. As afternoon turns to evening, the beach's rhythm shifts. Local fishermen gather their daily bounty, their toils soon celebrated in a beachside seafood restaurant, bustling with life and flavor. As dusk settles, the beach transforms into a carnival of color and laughter, a testament to the enduring spirit of joy. Overlooking it all stands a stoic lighthouse, a beacon against the night. As a beach bonfire's ethereal dance beneath the starry sky provides a mesmerizing finale to a day etched in sand and memories.
So Pika Labs has their own rules for prompt. So we need to follow that to get the best results. So this is the rules which we need to follow. Okay. So I've taken these details and created a prompt here. You will see that we have slash create command we have to give. Then everything should be a part of this bracket. And then there are some optional parameters over here. And then there are some sample prompts which will help ChatGPT understand that okay, this is what we have to create as a part of the prompt. Okay. After that, there are some important information like you must satisfy all the rules. Then we will provide you the keyword and you have to generate prompts based on that, and it should be provided as a part of code cell. So this will be our first set of prompt. Then to create the video, we'll be using this, that please generate 10 to 15 specific prompts for Pika Labs from the given instructions, and you can provide your keyword over here and it will create prompt for us. So let's take that prompt and provide to ChatGPT 4. You can try with ChatGPT 3.5. I have not tested it though, but it should work because the prompt is really small. Okay, so you can see here it is ready to create the prompt for us. So I'll go ahead and take this prompt now and give it to ChatGPT. So let's have a look at the prompt first. So you'll see here we have given that the prompt should be designed to provide us a high quality response that will contribute to development of a meaningful movie when combined together. So we have the prompts here. The first prompt is about a beautiful sunrise. Second prompt is about bird eye view. Then we have a couple enjoying a romantic walk. So let's take one of the prompt here, go to Discord and create a video here. So if you're not aware how to get the access or how we are creating the thread, please watch my previous video. So you'll just copy the prompt over here and enter. So our response is ready here. Let's have a look at the video which was generated. This looks really beautiful, right? So as again earlier discussed, right, if you don't like, you can always go ahead and re-roll this and it will generate another video for you with the same prompt. But since I like this response, I'll just go ahead and try to create another video. So our second video is also ready. Let's have a look at the results here. So this is the bird eye view. This looks also great, but again, if you want, you can always go ahead and run this prompt multiple times and it will generate a different video for us, right? Let's have a look at the another response which was generated. So you can see here again, this is bird eye view and this also looks really nice, right? So once you generate multiple videos, right, you can stitch together and create a video. Let me show you the next step. Next, we need to download all the videos which you have created, and then we need to create a script for the voiceover, right? So you can go ahead and provide your prompt here. So the prompt will be something like this: I would like you to give me a voiceover for this beach movie. Provide a script in one paragraph. Okay. Once you provide this kind of command, it will create a a script for us, which is related to the prompt which he has provided, and we will use this in 11 Labs and create an audio file. So once your audio file is ready, you can go ahead and
From dawn to dusk, The beach is a vibrant symphony of life and
So this way you can use any kind of movie editor, and you can overlay the voice over the video, and you can create a final movie. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.